National Seeds Corporation Limited, a Government of India undertaking, a Miniratna company, recently had some recruitment notification on direct recruitment basis. This is the advertisement number. We'll also see what are the vacancies, what is the notification. You just click on the link and you will be directed to this page. There are different vacancies in National Seed Corporation Limited. These are the list of vacancies for different streams. Assistant Legal Grade 1, Management Trainee Production, Management Trainee Horticulture, Management Trainee Marketing, Management Trainee Human Resource, Management Trainee Agriculture Engineering, Management Trainee Civil Engineering, Management Trainee Quality Control, Management Trainee Material Management, Logistic, Certification and Packing Material, Agrochemicals, and also Senior Trainee vacancies for Agriculture, Horticulture, Marketing, Human Resource, Logistics, Quality Control, Accounts, and also Diploma Trainee for Agriculture Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and also Trainee for Agriculture, Trainee for Marketing, Trainee for Human Resource, Trainee for Agriculture Stores, Trainee for Purchase, Trainee Technician for Diesel Mechanic, Electrician, Welder, Trainee for Stores Engineer. We'll also look what are the Trainee for Stenographer, Trainee for Quality Control. These are the trainee jobs for Data Entry Operator, Accounts, Trainee Mate in Agriculture. There are different vacancies. If you can just look, this is 3 vacancies overall put together for assistant in legal stream. This is a management trainee. These are the vacancies. So only production and civil engineering or the respective streams in engineering, and rest belongs to other engineering streams. This is also agriculture engineering. This is material management. You will see the eligibility. These are all the vacancies. This is the eligibility qualification for assistant legal, that is grade 1. They should have a law degree from a recognized university plus 1 year experience in handling legal matters, and also knowledge of computer, that is MS Office, is desirable, not essential. So those who have 1 year experience from after completing law, they are eligible for assistant legal grade 1 post. For management trainee production, they should have either BSc Agriculture plus MBA, that is Agriculture Business Management, or MSc Agriculture with specialization in agronomy or seed cell technology or plant breeding or genetics, and they should also have a knowledge on MS Office, and 60% marks is mandatory. For management trainee horticulture, they should have BSc Horticulture plus MBA or MSc Horticulture. For management trainee marketing, they should have BSc Agriculture plus MBA Marketing, or full-time 2 years full-time PG diploma or degree in marketing or agriculture with 60% of marks, or MSc Agriculture from recognized university. For management trainee human resource, the requisite qualification is 2 year full-time PG degree or diploma in personal management or industrial relations or labor welfare or HR management, or 2 year full-time MBA from recognized university with 60% of marks. And for all these courses, knowledge of MS Office is mandatory. For management trainee agriculture, the requisite qualification is BTech with 60% of marks, and knowledge of computer is essential. For management trainee civil engineering, the essential qualification is BTech in civil engineering from recognized university with 60% marks, and also knowledge on MS Office, that is computer, is mandatory. Management training, quality control, either MSc Agriculture with specialization in these are the, and with 60% marks and knowledge of computer is essential. Management training, material management, MBA, that is material management in logistics and supply management chain, or BSc Agriculture with MBA with 60% of marks, and in all the streams they are asking computer MS Office is mandatory. For management trainee, that is material management certification, the requisite qualification is MSc or bachelor degree in agriculture or BSc Agriculture with MBA, or 2 years full-time PG diploma or degree in packing from recognized university with 60% of marks, and this MS Office knowledge is mandatory. Management training, material management, agrochemicals, the requisite qualification is MSc with specialization in plant pathology or agriculture entomology, and with 60% of marks, knowledge of computer, that is MS Office is mandatory. Senior trainee agriculture, the requisite qualification is MSc Agriculture with specialization in agronomy, seed technology or plant breeding or genetics with 55% of marks, and also knowledge of computer is mandatory. For senior trainee agriculture, that is plant protection, the requisite qualification is MSc in agriculture or agriculture economy with minimum 55% of marks. For senior trainee horticulture, MSc, the requisite qualification is MSc horticulture or MSc agriculture with specialization in horticulture. For senior trainee marketing, the requisite qualification is BSc Agriculture plus MBA or 2 years full-time management degree, or MSc Agriculture from recognized university with 55% marks. For senior trainee human resource, the requisite qualification is MBA or 2-year full-time postgraduate diploma or degree in industrial relations or personal management or labor welfare or MSW with minimum of 55%, and knowledge of MS Office mandatory. For senior trainee, that is in logistics, the requisite qualification is MBA material management and logistics and supply chain, or BSc Agriculture with MBA with minimum of 55% marks, and knowledge of computer with MS Office is mandatory. For every qualification, the knowledge of computer is essential. For senior trainee, most of the vacancies of agriculture MSc, BSc plus MBA. For senior trainee accountant, MCOM or MBA with minimum of 55%. For diploma trainee agriculture engineering, 3 years diploma in agriculture engineering or mechanical engineering with minimum of 55% of marks. And for diploma trainee electrical engineering, the requisite qualification is 3-year diploma in electrical or electronics and electrical engineering with minimum of 55% of marks. And for trainee agriculture, BSc with minimum, BSc in agriculture is required with 60% of marks. For trainee in marketing, BSc agriculture with minimum of 60% of marks. So for trainee agriculture and trainee marketing, the requisite qualification is BSc agriculture. For trainee HR, that is human resource, graduate with the minimum 60% of marks from university with the knowledge on MS Office and computer typing with speed of 30 words per minute in English. This is very doable task. Knowledge of Hindi typing, that is 25 words per minute is desirable. Is desirable, not essential. So all graduates can apply for trainee human resource. This post trainee human resource, every graduate with minimum 60% of marks from recognized university and knowledge of MS Office with a speed of 30 words per minute in English is essential. In case candidate does not possess Hindi typing at the time of selection, they have to pass examination of Hindi typing during the course of training period. This can be done. So for this post, every graduate with minimum 60% of marks is eligible. Trainee human resource, every graduate is eligible for this post. Trainee agriculture stores, BSc agriculture with minimum of 60% marks and knowledge of computer is always essential. Trainee purchase, BSc agriculture with 60% marks and also knowledge of MS Office essential. So we'll also see what are the trainee technicians. These are the different streams of trainee technician: diesel mechanic, electrician, machine man, welder, electrician, process operator, plant processing operator, blacksmith. These are the different trades and disciplines of apprentice trade. For trainee stores, that is in engineering, the requisite qualification is 3 years diploma in agriculture engineering or mechanical engineering with minimum of 55% mark. And for trainee stenographer, the senior secondary or equivalent with 3-year diploma in office management with 60% marks. Stenography from recognized polytechnic or a graduate from recognized university. Also, they should have a proficiency in MS Office. For trainee quality control, the requisite qualification is BSc agriculture with minimum of 60% marks from the recognized university. And for trainee data operator, BCA or BSc, computer science IT, or 3 years diploma in engineering in computer applications science or IT electronics, or graduate with 1 year diploma in computer applications from recognized university. For those who have done graduation, after that they should have a 1 year diploma course application certificate so that they can be eligible for this post, trainee data entry operator. For trainee accounts, BCom with minimum 60% of marks. For trainee is trainee mate, intermediate in agriculture or senior secondary or equivalent in science with biology as one of the subjects with sound physics knowledge and experience in agriculture related fields will be desirable. So those persons who are of intermediate with biology and science as subjects, they are eligible for trainee mate, that is agriculture position. This is regarding the essential educational qualifications. You'll also see this is the approximate monthly emoluments or stipend. For assistant legal grade 1, the salary scale is around 22,000 to 77,000. For management trainee, the consolidated during the stipend is 47,480. For diploma trainee, the consolidated pay is around 26,114 rupees. For trainee, the consolidated pay is 20,109. For trainee mate agriculture, the consolidated pay is this much, 19,586. Age limit for assistant legal, the age limit is 30 years. For management trainee, not exceeding 27 years. For diploma trainee, not exceeding 27 years. And for trainee mate, not exceeding 25 years. This is for intermediate, so that's why 25 years. There is always a relaxation for different categories, that is 5 years for SC ST and 3 years for OBC and 10 years for PWD candidates. For ex-servicemen, there is a relaxation of 5 years. Regarding the examination scheme, details of selection procedure for all the positions for management trainee, assistant legal grade 1, senior trainee, diploma trainee, trainee and trainee mate. There are 3 stages. Stage 1 is written examination. Stage 2 is based on the merit of written examination, candidate will be called for interview or document verification, and stage 3 is taking into together a written examination plus interview marks, and candidate will be finally shortlisted for the selection. So if everything is found in order, documents and certificates, then they will be giving the posting. So first stage 1 is written test and interview, and final selection is based on both interview plus written test. Regarding this is the roles and responsibilities, how they are entitled after the training. The management trainees are about to get a pay scale of around rupees 40,000, 1,40,000, and for diploma trainees pay scale is around rupees 22,000 to 77,000, and there is also a bond for trainees around 17,000 to 60,000. For trainee mate agriculture, the pay scale ranging around 6,500 to 50,000 rupees. These are the pay scales. Also, the tentative date of examinations. So the important dates. The tentative date of examination, they have given it as August 2020. It is just tentative. It may be changed depending on the conditions of coronavirus and lockdown issue. So you can just apply this website. The website, if you, I'll give in the description, the link in the description. Just click on that so that you will be directed to this page. This is the advertisement. So far we have viewed that advertisement. Just click on the download, you will get this notification. So in short, every graduate is also eligible for some posts, and even intermediate candidates with biology as an optional subject or essential subject, they are eligible for some posts, and graduate with PG diploma course in computer applications are eligible for data entry operators. This is a great opportunity for everyone who are studying in different streams, and most of the posts of agriculture candidates, those who have done BSc plus MSc and also management degree. So grab this opportunity. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video with others so that everyone will be benefited. And if you are not eligible for different teams, please share to those who are eligible so that they may be benefited. If you're first to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And I also made a video on online free certification courses by Google. You just click on in the description link I have already given. If you just click on the link, you will be directed to this page. This is my page where I do daily editorials and also job updates, and also some of the technical glitches. You can just see the playlist. This is what I do every day, daily editorials and some of the facts, job updates, some of the technical glitches, and some unique articles depending on the current issues. Please do subscribe so that you will be definitely benefited, and please share this video with your friends. And you can also join me in this is my website. If you just click on here, my Insta Wi-Fi se study karo, and you can click on the Facebook link Wi-Fi se study karo, so that you will not miss any updates. Thank you for your time. Please share this with your friends and comment if you have any doubts regarding this. Thank you. Have a great day.